Let's look at numbers 60 through 100, okay? I'm going to say each number in English, then in Spanish, and I'll clap. And then I'd like to repeat each number in English and in Spanish. All right, here we go. 60, sesenta. 60, sesenta. 70, setenta. 70, setenta. 80, ochenta. 80, ochenta. 90, noventa. 90, noventa. 100, cien. 100, cien. All right, let's look at this. Language is all about patterns, and once you spot a couple patterns, it's really easy to remember what you want to say. I want you to notice, in English we say T, 6T, 7T, 8T, 9T. In Spanish we say enta, like, hey, what do you enta? So we say sesenta, setenta, ochenta, noventa. So in English we say T, in Spanish we say enta. In English we say T, in Spanish we say enta. Alright? Now I want you to notice too, how do they get 60? Basically what they've done is they take the little number 6 and they smash it into the word enta. And they take the number 7 and they smash it in enta. Alright, think about two cars. If two cars smash into each other, they both get a little bit shorter. Now notice, when you take ses and smash it into enta, the letter I disappears. Everybody listen and repeat. Ses plus enta becomes sesenta. Ses plus enta becomes sesenta. Same thing here. They took the word siete, 7, and they smashed it in enta. And when they did, two letters disappeared, the I and the E. Because remember, when cars smash together, they get shorter. So, siete plus enta becomes setenta. Siete plus enta becomes setenta. Now, ocho smashes into enta and becomes ochenta. Now notice, when ocho smashes into enta, the letter O disappears. This is not ochoenta, it's ochenta. So listen and repeat. Ocho plus enta becomes ochenta. Ocho plus enta becomes ochenta. And the last one, nueve plus enta, gets quite a bit shorter. Alright, it shortens down to noventa. Noventa's 90, 90 is noventa. Noventa's 90, 90 is noventa. Now, how are we going to remember that noventa's 90? Well, somebody looks at the thermostat and says, or the thermometer and says, Mr. Holt, why is it 90 degrees in this room? And I say, it's 90 degrees in this room because there's a noventa. There's no vent, there's a noventa. It's 90 degrees because there's a noventa. All right, that's kind of pathetic. But notice, several letters disappear. 3 letters disappear. Now, let's talk about 100 being cien. Everybody say centipede. Go. Centipede. Supposedly a centipede has 100 legs. It doesn't. It has like 10 or 15 or so 20 or something like that. Or now say century. Everybody say century. Century. A century is a group of 100 years. All right. Or a Roman centurion was in command over 100 men. So cien is 100. One last thing. A lot of people, my students at least, a lot of my students get 60 and 70 confused. Here's the chant that will help you. Sesenta with an S is 60. Setenta with a T is 70. Sesenta with an S is 60. Setenta with a T is 70. Now how does that help, Mr. Holt? Think on a number line. On a number line, the number 60 comes before the number 70. Now think about the alphabet. In the alphabet, the number 6 comes before the number 7. So one last time. Sesenta with an S is 60. Setenta with a T is 70. Sesenta with an S is 60. Setenta with a T is 70. Hopefully that helps you with numbers from 60 to 100.